Faisal Engineering Services is a leading provider of advanced engineering solutions, with extensive experience in both electrical and mechanical engineering fields. Faisal Engineering Services is properly registered with the all relevant tax authorities of Pakistan government. Our journey is dedicated to diversification and innovation, with a focus on delivering excellence in advanced engineering solutions, propelling us towards continued success. We are proud to partner with renowned entities such as HENKEL LOCTITE Industrial Adhesives, Germany, KSB Pumps, Germany, Metal Bearings Technologies, MBT, Turkey, Metapim Engineering Company, Turkey, Zibo Lujong Refractory LZR, and Beijing Hensen Engineering Technology Company Limited. Our state-of-the-art mechanical workshop facilities are equipped with cutting-edge tools and machines, while our electrical workshop facilities cater to industrial electric motors and generators ranging from LV to HT. At Faisal Engineering Services, we specialize in reverse engineering solutions for customized manufacturing of machine parts and assemblies. Moreover, our advanced engineering solutions include techniques such as cold welding, metal rebuilding with infused ferro alloys and ceramic coatings, providing protection against wear, erosion, and corrosion. Among our notable achievements is the establishment of Pakistan's first 9,000 TPM white cement-based wall putty plant, marking a significant milestone in our history. For inquiries or further information, please don't hesitate to contact us.